Now to news back home. The Rastafarian community is calling for a review of the Director of Public Prosecution, DPP's ruling in the Nzinga King saga. The case came to public attention as the teenager claimed a female officer cut her locks while she was in police custody. However, the DPP ruled that there was not enough evidence to charge the officer, a ruling which triggered an organized protest this week. Following the DPP's ruling on February 9, some Rastafarians across the country have been planning their reaction. Among the plans, demonstrations at the DPP's office in Kingston, as well as in Sam Sharp Square in Montego Bay, St. James. The group in St. James stuck to the plan.
The DPP ruling is that Nzinga's statement was inconsistent. Now, we are saying to the DPP that she need to review Nzinga case because it's a situation where she went in the station with her locks and she came back out without her locks.
They believe the ruling is not only questionable, but may negatively impact the teenager for the rest of her life.
She's just 19 years old. She's putting a scar on that girl for life, and she should reconsider these things. And also, I would like to say to the government as well, that they need to get rid of the discrimination, because this is an institutional discrimination against Rastafarians, you know.
If my locks is joined together like this, and I simply just try to pull it apart, the pain that I endure, much less for a young girl to pull her locks out from the root. That lady, that police lady, with no disrespect to you as an officer also, she's a liar.
In response to a video showing a boisterous Nzinga at the police station, they argue that the video must be considered in context.
They are claiming that Nzinga was behaving hostile within the police station. But if the police pepper spray you unjustly, then automatically you're going to behave rude.
You have a right to vent how you feel.
And that is what Nzinga did.
The police pretend act as if we don't have a right to vent our feelings when they do wrong to us, right? And if we don't stand strong in this dispensation, 1963 is going to repeat itself by the hands of them.
In a Gleaner report this week, DPP Paula Llewellyn raised concern about the Rastafarians' plans to demonstrate at her office in downtown Kingston. With the ongoing one-done trial at the Supreme Court next door, the area around her office is sterile and manned by the police. Ms. Llewellyn was quoted as suggesting that they can take the decision on judicial review. The group in St. James suggests that not only should the case be revisited, but there should also be efforts by the justice system to ensure both parties come to an amicable settlement.